What is up, everybody? Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my blog. Right now I am going on a little small adventure down here over to this area called McLean, Virginia, and I just wanted to take you all with me. It's gonna be a little dark because it's already basically 5:08, so by the time I get there it'll probably be very dark, but I just didn't want to go by myself, so I just plan to take you all with me. Alright, I'll see you guys on the road. Oh, and by the way, I just love these things. I'm not sponsored by them, but they're so good. They just love the sugar. I apologize in advance for the quality of this video. It might be a little blurry. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I'm hoping it comes out really good. But I'm doing it all in my cell phone, which is an iPhone X, and as far as I can tell, like, it's good so far, but I don't know how it's gonna be when it uploads, so just letting you guys know in advance. And yeah, thanks. I am usually terrified with going through this road because it's so dark, you can't see nothing here, you know. And I mean, there's a few cars behind me, but in a way that's good, because that way, like, you know, I'm not fully alone out here. But it just gets darker. Right now I'm going on top of a highway, I think 395, but it just keeps getting dark and dark and dark. And like up until some point here, then I'm gonna have to stop recording because it's really curvy also, you know. I don't want to go down a ditch or something, but yeah. Alright guys, so I got to this one spot. It's a 7-Eleven, and also I think it's like a store that sells, like, you know, like sweets. And as far as sweets, I mean like breads, smoothies, things like that. It's closed right now, but I think I should be coming here tomorrow to check it out, because I'm just exploring, you know. Like, to tell you the truth, guys, I don't really go out like that. Mostly right now throughout the whole pandemic, I've been trying to stay home and stuff. It's kind of hard to deal with all this stuff. I also got some like medical issues and stuff, and I think that would like put me at high risk. But yeah, like, you know, as you guys can see, it's basically the only thing that's like, you know, like, that's some freaking like light around here other than the 7-Eleven that's next to it. So yeah, I'm gonna continue on with the drive. I've been recording also with my cell phone because for some reason my GoPro keeps having all these little issues, you know, stopping and not being able to record. So alright, but yeah, we'll continue on in this little adventure. So my car is not really that loud, but I don't know, I just love the sounds that it makes, you know, a little whistling sound or a sneezing sound. But it's good, it's like a feeling. So this road here gets narrow, so I'm gonna keep on recording past this. I should have bring my GoPro head thing, like a little strap, but yeah, I wasn't prepared today. I was not prepared. Alright, so I basically got to the end of this, like, you know, road right here, and well, I found this nice little I think it's Tex-Mex grill spot. I think I'm gonna come maybe tomorrow or one of these days and come check it out. And as far as you guys can tell, my car is dirty as hell. It's disgusting. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, that's my tag right there. And so far I'm pretty happy with the MBRP exhaust that I put on this car. It wasn't really that expensive. It was like $600, but it's a nice little spot where, you know, I guess even with Mustang Empire we can come here and have like something. I don't know if they have like indoor seating, but I think they probably don't, but maybe we can get some food and go chill, like, you know, at a parking lot or something. Really nice to, you know, be out there and just hang out. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted in the next video. This is just a little something, like, you know, I'm trying to share my life with you guys, and I want you guys to to know me better. And as far as I know, some of you all seem to be enjoying my videos, and I'm happy for that. You know, I'm happy that you guys like enjoy my content and stuff. And this car is gonna be getting like more parts put on soon. Basically working on the interior slowly but surely, you know, getting some carbon fiber parts. And those rims are gonna go, I promise you guys. Maybe within like the next month and a half or so, but they're gonna be gone, you know. And yeah, I'll be talking to you guys later on, and see you guys soon. Thank you for watching, and this is the end of the adventure today. And yeah, thanks.